One of the greatest disciplines on the full circle path is learning to master your tongue. The tongue is small, yet it has started wars, destroyed families, ended friendships, and broken hearts. The sword can cut flesh, but careless words can cut the spirit, and those wounds can last a lifetime. Most people train their bodies, some train their minds, few train their speech. But the wise understand something important. The tongue reveals the condition of the mind. If the mind is ruled by anger, the tongue becomes a weapon. If the mind is ruled by ego, the tongue becomes arrogant. If the mind is ruled by fear, the tongue spreads negativity. But if the mind is calm and disciplined, the tongue becomes a tool for wisdom. Before you speak, ask yourself 3 questions. Is it true? Is it necessary? Is it helpful? If it fails those 3 tests, silence may be the stronger path. A balanced warrior does not speak to impress, gossip, or wound others. They speak to clarify, to teach, to protect, and sometimes to bring peace. Remember this: once a word leaves your mouth, it no longer belongs to you. It belongs to the world, and you cannot take it back. So train your tongue like you train your body, with awareness, restraint, and discipline. Because the person who masters their speech is already halfway to mastering their life.